welcome to another video in our monthly Innovation Highlight series. In this video, we'll be talking about the latest innovations from SAP Ariba and how our innovations can help you improve your procurement process. SAP Ariba's innovations are designed to help you reduce costs, improve efficiency, increase compliance, mitigate risks, and improve collaboration with suppliers. So let's discover this month's Innovation Highlight.
Administrators can now enable BMEcat and Excel catalog items to be accessed within the SAP Ariba Procurement mobile app. These catalog formats are typically used for dynamic pricing configurations, like minimum order quantities and quantity intervals. This new feature also provides an essential element of linking mandatory items to a main product. Let's take a look. Jean opens the SAP Ariba Procurement mobile app and searches for a remote control for Xperia. She finds one available in 3 days. She clicks pricing terms. She sees that the pricing is reduced if she orders more than 20, and the minimum order is 16, and should be ordered in multiples of 4. When Jean goes back to item details, she notices additional mandatory items, like a noise-canceling headset and a hard case cover. She loves that these are already there for her. She selects Buy Now and a draft purchase requisition is created. She adjusts the number of remotes to 17 and attempts to submit her order. Oops, she's reminded of the pricing terms that she just read and adjusts the quantity back to 16. Then she tries to see if she can delete the noise-canceling headphones. These items are indeed mandatory. She submits her request. Now she opens the purchase requisition and notices that the approval is pending in the approval flow. She's all set for today. As you can see, this feature brings about more flexible, cost-effective, and user-friendly experience in the SAP Ariba Procurement mobile app. SAP Ariba Supplier Risk, bulk engagement request creation, and corresponding actions. Meet Sam. Sam is a supplier risk manager and needs to manage compliance for human rights due diligence by assessing a subset of suppliers for IT hardware as a category. She only needs to specify her business details once, confirms the type of questionnaire, and next it's time to specify the list of applicable suppliers. This is where she now finds a new tab offering different options for selecting her suppliers. As you can see at first glance, she has the option to search, import suppliers, and view recommended suppliers. Once she selects all of the applicable suppliers, she reviews her request. And it looks right, so she's now ready to submit her request. This new feature also provides the capabilities to approve the engagements and send the assessments in bulk. Sam is happy with this significant efficiency gain through a much faster process of creating, approving, and sending engagement requests. Automated User Experience Survey and Guided Buying. This feature introduces automated surveys on the Guided Buying homepage to collect data about your user experience. Data gathered can be used by the SAP Central Design team to make decisions about how guided buying can be improved.
If this was news for you, or if you have any questions, please drop a comment below. We're always happy to hear from you and help in any way we can. Curious to see what's coming next? Then subscribe and follow for more innovation updates with SAP Ariba.